Kingsville, good afternoon. Have some super exciting news to share. It's been a great week of inspections and certifications, and we have received our certificate of occupancy. Not really received, it's in the cloud right now, but it's approved. It's good to go. We are open for business. Couldn't be more excited, couldn't be more proud. Been waiting for this time for quite a while now. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna hit the ground running. You're gonna see details on a soft opening this weekend starting tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You're gonna meet the team. You're gonna come check out the equipment. You're gonna pick out your lockers or do a locker raffle for our new locker owners. You're gonna just come out, maybe watch some TV, have a little fun. But we are super excited to welcome you in the building, show you around, show you the new equipment. Eagles will continue to be open this weekend. Normal operating hours. If you want your full uninterrupted workout, Eagles is open and ready to go. We're gonna do our soft walkthroughs this weekend. And then starting Monday, 5:30 a.m., we are open, 100%, grand opening, ready to rock, ready to roll. Our team is super proud of the project, and we know that after seeing it and coming through inside, you'll feel the same sense of pride and accomplishment that we do. Looking forward to welcoming you in the building. Can't wait to see you.